The second weekend in June, we headed back to Silent Lake Provincial Park. But this time, things would be very different from last year's visit. Alright, we're on the road to Silent Lake this weekend. It's going to be a little different. My mom, my sister, her husband, and their 2 kids are coming up as well. They are behind me, not right behind me, but they are coming up behind me. They're getting dinner right now and they're going to meet me there. And it's a very different drive because I don't have Bo with me. He's in the car with them so that I could leave straight from work. And they're bringing him up. So I'm heading ahead of them so I can get us all checked in, and then they're going to meet me there. Yes, driving up without Bo was very strange. With him heading up with my family, though, who was joining us for the weekend, I was able to drive straight from work, saving myself 30 minutes. I got there just before them and checked us all in. We set up our sights in the dark and started a fire for a chill night. The next morning, we headed over to their site as they had more indoor space than we did. They also already had the coffee going. Dutchie doesn't like to do this.
We have Mr. Jealous.
Oh, yes.
It was raining pretty good, so we sat around and played some games while we waited for a break so we could venture out.
What was it again?
Guyana.
Allah.
Hey, yo.
Late morning, we got the break we were hoping for, and were able to go out for a bit of a hike to check things out. I love this park, so I was so happy to be able to share it with my family and show them a bit of what we do every weekend when we're away. Right, go back in. You can go back in. Go ahead. There's 2 of them here.
This is the blue homeless.
He's only got circle food.
You had yours. Don't look at me like that. Later in the afternoon, we took the paddleboard out. While some of us paddled, the dogs went for a swim. This is one of the nicest lakes I have paddled on, and I love getting out on it. I'm so glad that the rain slowed down enough for us to get out and enjoy most of the day. We also got lucky that the rain had stopped in time for us to make dinner over the fire, but it held off only long enough for us to finish.
Is it raining
Yeah,
or
that
is it a bike trailer?
Oh my god.
Have you seen those bike trailers?
As soon as it was done, the skies opened up and it rained for the rest of the night, pretty much. So we headed inside the trailer and ate there and chilled for the rest of the night inside.
She's still trying to eat hers.
Whoa!
It was not a nice weekend weather-wise, but it didn't ruin our camping experience. Having everyone there actually made it better, as if it was just me and Bo, we would have only had us sitting in the van or under the awning. It was way more fun to have people and other dogs to hang out with in the rain-filled weekend. The way home felt better with my sidekick in the passenger seat. I had also found out that Tim's offers now oat milk now for their iced coffee, so we definitely had to make a stop on the way. And then we just enjoyed the journey along Highway 7 all the way home.